this is last and final. What was I saying there? 9 more packs. So in these packs, we are going to see 1 more footy power. Oh, put this there actually. And I'll swap it here. So 1 more footy power, 2 more footy flicks, 2 more best and fairest, and more pop-ups. De Goey Gold, Dangerfield double, but it's alright because it's a good card. Like Dangerfield and Geelong are really good. So, like if I don't know if I want to trade or something like that, they'll be pretty easy. I'll be hoping. Justin Westhoff gold, Robbie Gray pop-up. Oh, cool. Got a lot of Bulldogs golds, I'm going to tell you. Like, I haven't got a double yet. Jason Johannisen gold, Norm Smith medalist, and Luke Parker. So nice. Just bang. Footy flicks. Alright, will there be an error or something in which I'll get another magic or another star? I doubt it, but it's never impossible. Jack Gunston gold. Yes. Well, it's been alright with the footy powers, I gotta say. Cyril Rioli, Sizzling Cyril. That's a good card. Alright, what do I need? I need 1 footy flicks, 1 best and fairest, and probably 3 pop-ups. Because the pop-ups are over. They're invading us. Paddy McCartan gold. Good card there. And Shane Mumford pop-up. Mason Wood gold. And Mitch Duncan pop-up. I'll probably do a recap at the end of this video, so just stick around. Yes, I probably didn't have to do like parts and stuff, but I don't mind. Rory Sloane gold and Stephen May footy flicks. So that's the last of our footy flicks over there. That's a pretty good card. Alright, 2 more packs to go. I'm guessing this one has to pop up. Last one has a checklist. Alright. It's a St Kilda one. It's Nick Raywell. Got him a lot. So, I'm going to guess the next pack. I reckon it's going to be a Fremantle gold and Dane Zorko best and fairest. I'm guessing. Like, if I get it right, I'm not even kidding. Okay, flip to Melbourne gold, and it's Marcus Ponticelli. That's probably even better. It's Bulldogs. There's the back. I don't know if whatever. So that's that. I'll do a little recap just quickly. The golds: Tom McDonald, Kay Colajasny, Rory Sloane, Mason Wood, Paddy McCartan, Jack Gunston, Jason Johannisen, Justin Westhoff, Jordan De Goey, Marcus Montempelli, Jack Martin, Cam McCarthy, Shane Edwards, Josh Gibson, Rory Laird, Luke Shirley, Tom Rockcliffe, Stefan Martin, Lockie Plowman, Nick Nananui, Dan Hanbury, Orazio Fantasia, Isaac Smith, Sam Doherty, Sharad Wellingham, Toby Green, Ben Cunnington, Joe Watson, Phil Davis, Cam Guthrie, Nick Floston, Angus Brayshaw, Lance Franklin, Jackson Trengrove, and Seb Ross. I'll do the pop-ups since they're like second most. Nick Raywell, Mitch Duncan, Shane Mumford, Robbie Gray, Aaron Sandlands, Matt Prittis, Jared Harbrow, Josh Bruce, Joe Danaher, Dane Beams, Andrew Swallow, Sam Doherty, Anthony Miles, Jared Harbrow, Todd Hawkins, Luke Bruce, Steele Sidebottom. Alright, with the footy flicks, Stephen May, Luke Parker, I'll put him up close, Cruiser, Door, Parker, and this one, so it's up closer. I already showed you the glow pop-ups, which I thought were disappointing. Not that I don't like him, it's that I've already got him. Sorioli, Paddy Cripps, Jack Zeeble, Ollie Wines. There are the backs. Best and fairest checklists. Bontempelli. I've got actually good players. Dangerfield, Merritt, Pendlebury, see? Martin, Shuey. And the Tom Liberatore, Star Wild, and the even better pull for me really is Tim Embry, Magic Wild. That's good. I don't need to buy it off eBay or anything. I've already got it. Let's hope for the star. Fingers crossed. And also, thanks for tuning in these videos. And I guess see you in the next vid. Thank you.